Hey there! Ready to dive into the exciting world of full-stack web development? Imagine building a castle. Full-stack development is like being the architect, the builder, and interior designer all in one. You handle everything, from what users see, this is front-end, and how things work behind the scenes, and where all the data lives. This is back-end, collaborating with the databases. Learning full-stack development is like having superpowers to build both the front cool design and the back powerful engine of websites and apps all by yourself. You'll use a variety of cool tools and technologies. Let's check out the most popular ones that you will learn with us. HTML is like the bones of your web page, giving it structure. CSS is the style, adding colors and fonts to make everything look awesome. JavaScript is the superhero of web development. It brings your web pages to life with interactivity and animations. Ever used Google Maps or Netflix? That's JavaScript in action. JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js are like a set of pre-made building blocks that help developers build stunning user interfaces faster and easier. They're like the magic wands of web design. On the back end, technologies like Node.js and Express.js handle the server-side logic and data processing. That's where all the heavy lifting happens. Databases like MongoDB, MySQL, InfluxDB are like giant libraries where all the data is stored and organized. But guess what? Full-stack development isn't just about websites. If you're interested in building mobile apps, you can use frameworks like React Native and Flutter. With these tools, you can create powerful apps for both Android and iOS devices, using one codebase. It's like having a magic spell that works on both types of phones. React Native lets you use your JavaScript skills to build mobile apps, while Flutter, powered by the Dart language, is known for its amazing performance and beautiful designs. Whether you're an iOS or Android fan, you'll be equipped to create mobile apps that look great and work smoothly across devices. Did you know JavaScript powers some of your favorite games and apps? Lots of games and apps use JavaScript to create amazing experiences. Pretty cool, right? But that's not all that TechTitans can offer you. Let's explore more. You may wonder, why learn JavaScript when there are so many other programming languages out there, and how to make a choice on what programming language to learn? Now let's dive deeper. Alright, imagine you're a wizard, and the spells you cast are programming languages. These spells let you control computers, build awesome games, apps, websites, and more. Each language is like a special spellbook for a different kind of magic. Let's break it down. Python, the all-purpose spellbook. Think of Python as the magic spellbook that's super easy to use, even for beginners. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. You can use it for pretty much anything. Want to make a video game? Cast Python. Want to program a robot or build a website? Python again. Scientists also love it to crunch huge data and even make predictions. It's flexible and powerful, like a magic wand that works for everything. JavaScript, the web sorcery. If the internet is your playground, JavaScript is the go-to spell. It makes websites come alive. Ever clicked on something and saw animations or pop-ups? That's JavaScript in action. It's what turns a boring, flat website into something interactive like a video game you play in your browser. So if you want to make cool websites or web games, this is the magic you need. Java, the mobile app charm. Java is the magic behind most Android apps. If you ever used Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp on your phone, there's a good chance Java helped build that. It's also used for big complex spells in places like banks or super secure websites. Java is perfect when you want your spell or app to work on tons of devices. C++, the Game Master Spellbook. Ready to create the next big video game? C++ is your power spell for high-performance games, the kind where speed and graphics matter the most. It's used in big games like Fortnite or Call of Duty. But it's not just for games. C++ is also used in systems that need to be super fast, like the software in airplanes or self-driving cars. You need precision and power with this one. C# is the game developer's secret weapon. If you want to make 3D games, think epic adventures and open-world games like Minecraft, then C# is your spell. This language is what game developers use in Unity, one of the most popular game engines. It's the magic behind a lot of the games you love to play on consoles, computers, and even mobile devices. Swift, the Apple spell. Ever wanted to make your own iPhone app? Then Swift is the spell you need. Swift is the official language for Apple devices. So if you want to create an app that runs on an iPhone, iPad, or even Apple Watch, this is the language to learn. It's fast, powerful, and perfect for crafting sleek, modern apps. Go, the speedy cloud spell. Created by the wizards at Google, Go, also called Golang, is like a super fast and efficient spell. It's used to run big systems in the cloud, like the kind that power YouTube, Gmail, and even giant servers that keep your favorite apps running smoothly. If you want to control the cloud and big servers, Go is your spellbook. So which magic spell are you going to learn first? Whether you want to build the next hit game, create an app for millions to download, or make websites that wow people, programming languages are your key to unlocking endless possibilities. While you can check the game design section to learn programming languages like C#, the series of our JavaScript video lessons here were created by Pavlos Efthymiadis, a senior software engineer with 10 years of experience in the web development field. So let's start with full-stack web development. Your imagination is the limit. Our project-based learning approach means you get hands-on experience. No boring lectures here. You'll be creating real-world projects that you can show off to your friends and future employers. You can earn money working for tech companies, freelancing, or even starting your own business. Full-stack developers are high in demand, and the opportunities are endless. In the tech world, there are many cool roles like front-end developer, back-end developer, full-stack developer, UI UX designer, DevOps engineer, and more. Each role focuses on different aspects of creating and designing software. Join TechTitans on this exciting adventure into full-stack development, and we will make your learning journey fun and easy. Let's build something amazing together.